Sorry, I'm being creepy. Example 2. Last and final example. A wheelchair ramp is being installed to reach a door that is 5 feet off the ground. The wheelchair ramp must have an angle of elevation of 15 degrees. How long is the wheelchair ramp to the nearest hundredth of a foot? Okay, well, a ramp, obviously, I picture a ramp in my head, but let's see. Got to be a right triangle, right? It's got to be a right triangle. So the ramp needs to reach the door that is 5 feet off the ground. So that means that the door is up here. So this is my door. The door is up at the top here, which means if the door is 5 feet off the ground, then this distance right here is 5 feet. The wheelchair ramp must have an angle of elevation of 15. So angle of elevation, the angle looking up, that would be my angle of elevation right here. Angle of elevation, 15 degrees. How long is the wheelchair ramp to the nearest hundredth of a foot? So of course that interferes with that, because why would I ever set up anything in a simple fashion? How long is the wheelchair ramp? Well, how long is over here. This is our missing X. Actually, I'm just going to move this entire thing. Oh my goodness, I'm sorry. So we need to now, we did step 1, we drew our picture, which is fantabulous. Now we need to label our sides based on that angle that they give us. They're giving me this 15, so across from my right angle, as always, is my hypotenuse. Across or opposite of the 15 is over here, and my adjacent is that missing piece over here. All right, so looking at what I'm given and what I am trying to find here, it looks like I'm using adjacent and opposite. So which trig ratio deals with adjacent and opposite? That's tangent again. So tangent of x degrees is equal to opposite over adjacent. So katoa. We know what the angle is this time. So the tangent of 15 is equal to opposite is 5 and adjacent is my missing x this time. So just like it says in our notes, if we're missing a side, which we are in this case, we're going to use cross multiplication and the normal trig buttons on the calculator. So I can easily turn that tan of 15 into a fraction so I could see the cross multiplication better. Tangent of 15 times x is tangent of 15 times x. 5 times 1 is 5. Getting that x alone, x is being multiplied by the tangent of 15, so I am going to do the inverse of that and divide both sides by the tangent of 15. So into my calculator, my final answer I can get by doing 5 divided by the tangent of 15. So 5 divided by tangent, just a regular tangent of 15. Close parentheses, enter. 18.660. 18.660. To the nearest hundredth, tenths, hundredths. Look at the 0. The 0 tells me to stay the same. So the ramp is 18.66 feet long. And there you have it, peeps. So again, the only difference between what we've been doing and what you're doing here now is that you're not given a picture and you're going to have to draw one yourself. Have fun!